Simpson. It is Friday, April 26th. Current temperature Millis 62.2 degrees with the barometer at 30.389 inches, and it's on the rise this morning. Current winds 2.6 out of the southeast. Taking a look at the current temperatures across the nation. Boston, we are in the upper 50s this morning to around 60. Washington, D.C. is right around 60 as well, and then the warm spot this morning is Miami. The cold spot is Denver, although they aren't really that cold. Denver is at 44 degrees this morning. Taking a look at the temperatures close in our area, we are generally in the lower to mid 50s into around 60 across the metro Boston area, lower 40s out towards portions of western New York, and then 40s up towards portions of Vermont and Maine. Taking a look at the current surface analysis, we have a high pressure system over our area that's going to be shifting its way on east and to the north and east. That'll give us fair weather, keep the rain in check. This rain is going to try to move into our area for this weekend, but luckily this high pressure system will be strong enough. We'll be able to keep that rain to the south and to the west. And as I mentioned, we do have that rain that's going to be trying to move into the east, but it won't really be able to do that high pressure. Other than that, it's really actually fairly quiet across the nation. No real major storms to talk about. Taking a look at the surface analysis closer in our area, we do have that coast, that cold front way offshore, not even affecting us with any clouds. We do have a spot shower up towards the northern part of New England on the New York-Vermont border right now. We may see a few clouds from this, but we won't see any precipitation from these showers. And you'll notice it's mainly clear across the area for today. Taking a look at the current radar, as I mentioned, we do have those showers just east of the Vermont and New York-Vermont border. Also, we have a little bit of snow mixing in the northern reaches of upstate New York. Also, a spot snow shower out towards Mount Washington, but the radar is fairly clear this morning. Taking a look at your weekend forecast, the setup, well, we're going to have that high pressure system that's going to keep that rain at bay, and it'll be slowly working its way to the northeast throughout the entire weekend. Taking a look at the current drought conditions. Also, we have a severe drought towards the middle part of the country. Now that shouldn't really, that'll continue throughout the summer, and I'm actually starting to get a little bit concerned about this drought and how it will affect the nation. Taking a look at, this is a Climate Prediction Center product. This shows that above average temperatures in that same region throughout the entire summer and into September. This is up till September, but you'll notice we have warmer air. We have the chance for above average temperatures throughout really the entire country come the summer. And taking a look at the precipitation, this is another product that was released by the CPC. This shows a chance for precipitation. Right now, you notice in that generally same area, we're going to have a chance for below average precipitation. It's looking like we're going to have below average precipitation come this summer. And we'll have equal chances for both in pretty much across the entire nation, except for right here and right here. Taking a look at the drought conditions in the northeast, well, you notice we aren't really we're not too bad. We do have a little bit of minor drought conditions towards the mountains of Vermont and New Hampshire, also some down towards Connecticut, portions of the Catskills. But I do want to point out that so far we are below average in rainfall for the month of April. And the month of April is going to come to an end soon. We're about 2 inches below the average for this time of year. Even with all that snow, that we had this winter, we are still looking at the possibility of drought conditions come this summer due to the lack of rain in the spring. As the saying goes, April showers bring May flowers, and unfortunately, really not seeing many April showers this month. Taking a look at the MHS, one of the other 5-day forecasts, we could see a spot shower, although looking like those showers are going to stay north. High temperature of 66 for today. For Saturday, high temperature of 66 with a mix of sun and clouds. And then for Sunday, high temperature of 72 with a mix of sun and clouds, but mostly sunny for Sunday. And then Monday, we will see a high temperature of 72 with a mix of sun and clouds. Thanks for joining us. I'm student meteorologist Tyler Simpson. Remember, you can always find the latest weather information by going on to my Facebook page, Tyler Simpson-MHS103 Weather.